So I'm going to make homemade fudge once again. This is for Christmas. And I'm going to do it now, so I'm going to put it in the freezer downstairs. So I got the condensed milk here. This time I'm going to use Reese's peanut butter cups here. And we're going to put these in a microwave safe bowl. Like this one. Is this microwave safe? Yep. Forgot how many minutes you put the fudge on for. I'll just put it on for 5 minutes to see if it melts. First, we're going to open this up though. And in 4 days or so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 4 days on Christmas, we're going to eat this and show you what it looks like. So I'm going to put this in the freezer for 4 days. We got a pan right here. I'm also going to add this peanut butter as well to have a little bit more flavor. I'm also going to add this vanilla extract too. I got this last time, but haven't used that. I think I melted that chocolate too much. Oh well, it'll be. Alright. I melted that chocolate for too long. Like I said, oh well. It'll be melted, or not melted. It'll be cooled. I'm also going to take some vegetable oil, or some spray, because last time I did it, it stuck to the pan. So I'm just going to take some of this butter flavored spray here. Just a little bit. And add some of this little bit of vanilla extract in here. Add a little bit of flavor to it. It's gonna be, you know, chocolate peanut butter, but add a little bit of vanilla to it too. Also gonna add some peanut butter, just a little bit of peanut butter. Just because I didn't have enough chocolate, and I want this to be as thick as possible, so that when when this comes out, when I bring it out on Monday for Christmas, it's thick as possible, because that's how fudge has to be. So you'll see what it looks like on Monday, so stay tuned. That's what it looks like now. It's got some chunks in it, some chunks of chocolate, but I accidentally burnt some of the chocolate, but it looks fine. Anyway, we'll see what it looks like on Monday. So I'm gonna put some aluminum foil over this so that it's protected in case something falls on it in the freezer downstairs. I'm gonna go check out to see how my fudge is doing. It's update 2 here. So I made a video the other day of preparing for it. I want to see if it's hardened yet. Yesterday I checked it and it was still kind of soft. So hopefully it's hardened. Here it is right here. Now, unfortunately this stuff stuck to it, so I'm gonna have to as you can see, it's pretty good. Looks like fudge. So we'll see how it turns out, if everybody likes it. So come Monday, that will be part of Monday. So stay tuned. Well, it's finished. The fudge here, just waiting for everybody to come for Christmas here. So as you can see, I mean, it looks okay. Doesn't look, I don't know. Over here looks like the thickness of this fudge, but looks okay. So waiting for everybody to come. They can eat that. Anyway, so fudge here, part 2.